Hello everyone, my name is Shane and I'm making this video today to share with you this wonderful, awesome prize I've just received from Filme. I really wasn't expecting this at all, and I'm presuming because of the epidemic this year and mail services were a little slower than usual, it was an amazing surprise to receive this the other day. I'm super excited to try it out, and I just wanted to share the unboxing of this amazing DJI Osmo Mobile 3 gimbal with you. It's for your mobile device and it is a stabilizing tracking device. So it will track your movement, fully supported by Google Play Store and iOS. So let's get right to it and let me open this product. What I really like about DJI products are their design. They're very well designed and slick and neat. So as you can see here, your mobile device will connect right here. I'm so grateful to Filme for sending me this product. I really was not expecting to win their competition. I am a huge supporter of Filme. I use their video editing software because it just works for me. They've got wonderful presets, it's easy to use, it's user-friendly, and I'm really looking forward to trying out this awesome Osmo Mobile 3 DJI Gimbal along with the Filme editing software. So I really also suggest that you guys enter any of their future competitions because like I said, I was not expecting to win this. So once again, thank you Filme for sending me this. I'm super excited to try it out and use it, and like I said, make sure you guys enter their next competition.